Is SHIB about to explode, or are the whales just playing games again? With 2.6 trillion tokens on the move and analysts calling for a bullish breakout, something big or fishy might be brewing. In today's video, I will be answering these questions and telling you all of the new price-boosting information that has just come out about Shiba Inu. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch until the end to not miss out on any information. Welcome to Crypto Daily, your daily dose of Shiba. If you are interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shiba news and predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shiba news. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 27th of April, shall we? Shiba Inu's price today is around 1367 units, and its price is up 4% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of 201 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over 8.05 billion, ranking it as the 19th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. This content is not financial advice. Now let's get into today's video. Analyst sees bullish breakout ahead for Shiba Inu, $0.00004 in sight. Trader Mike on TradingView highlights historic Shiba Inu patterns, identifying key resistance and future liquidity targets for the token. Notably, Shiba Inu, SHIB, showed signs of mild volatility in its latest trading session, maintaining a narrow range between $0.0001333 and $0.0000138. Despite a slight intraday decline of 1%, SHB remains up by 6.1% over the past week. Amid this short-term decline, analysts continue to monitor price action closely, pointing to historical patterns and technical developments that could influence SHIB's next move. Shiba Inu historical patterns. For instance, Trader Mike, a technical analyst and trader on TradingView, revisited SHIB's historical price patterns to map out potential future moves. He highlighted the token's major bull run from September 27th to October 25th, 2021, during which SHIB surged from roughly $0.0000600 to $0.0008869. According to his analysis, this uptrend featured strong buying activity represented by large candlesticks. Following this peak, SHIB entered an extended bearish period lasting from November 1st, 2021 to February 19th, 2024. During this phase, the candlesticks became notably weaker, often displaying significant wicks, which Trader Mike interpreted as possible signs of market manipulation rather than purely organic selling pressure. Importantly, he noted consistent buyer presence despite the overall decline. Building on this, he emphasized SHIB's key resistance at $0.0003000, which he termed the trend killer. Notably, SHIB has tested this level but has yet to achieve a clean break above it. Key entry points and liquidity targets. Meanwhile, Trader Mike shared that he entered a SHIB position after a bullish daily candle close on April 9, 2025, when the token traded near $0.0000167. From this position, he identified several projected liquidity zones, starting with a near-term target at $0.0004529, representing a 249% increase from his entry. Other critical targets include $0.0004595, $0.0005414, $0.0007526, and the $0.0008869 level last seen during the 2021 rally. Further optimism in SHIB. At the same time, further optimism emerged from another analyst known as Rose Premium Signals on X. This analyst observed that SHIB had broken out of a falling wedge pattern, a typical bullish signal. Such breakouts often signal bullish reversals, and Rose Premium Signals identified potential price targets at $0.0001510, $0.0001850, $0.0002110, and $0.0002460 levels that would significantly exceed current prices. Futures open interest is surging. In addition to technical analysis, derivatives market data appears to reinforce the observed bullish signals. CoinGlass data shows that Shib's futures open interest nearly doubled in April, rising from below $97 million to almost $190 million by April 27. This surge in open interest occurred alongside Shib's price gains, often considered a positive sign. It typically indicates that new capital is entering the market through leveraged long positions. 6 trillion Shiba Inu in 24 hours? Are Shib whales back? Shiba Inu large transactions soar 28% as major shift emerges. The Shiba Inu meme coin has seen a major surge in large transactions over the past 24 hours. This surge suggests renewed optimism from investors, driven by the meme coin's latest price rally. Spike in Shiba Inu whales activity. According to Into the Block data, Shiba Inu has seen a 28.7% increase in large transaction volume, an indicator of whale activity. In just 24 hours, large investors shifted to 2.6 trillion Shib tokens, valued at approximately $48.8 million at the current market price. Large transaction volume estimates the total amount that whales and institutional participants transacted on a particular day. Each transaction is valued at $100,000 or more. Spikes in this metric indicate increased activity among institutional players, meaning they are either buying or selling. The surge in whale activity coincides with the recent improvement in the price of Shiba Inu. On Monday, the SHIB price chart formed a bullish setup, with the appearance of a golden cross. This move signals a break from previous selling pressure and a possible shift in bias. At press time, SHB was traded at $0.00001369, up 0.9% from the previous day. The price has soared by 5.2% and 8.9%, respectively, within the past week and month. The price is probably why large investors buy large amounts of Shiba Inu. Their accumulation shows they believe in the meme coin's potential. 12 billion Shib moved to European exchange. Intriguingly, a wallet holding over $1.48 million in crypto recently transferred 12 billion Shib, worth about $160,800, to Bitvavo, a top European crypto exchange. Many details about this transaction remain unknown. However, the transfer comes right when Shib's chart hits short-term resistance. Still, whether the move aims to kickstart a reversal or just test liquidity remains unclear. Analysts claim the market might see some price pressure if Bitvavo's books start taking these tokens. On the contrary, if the asset remains untouched, it is just a reshuffling, but in this market, timing rarely lies. Many of our subscribers comment that they are not going to sell Shib for the next 5 years and hold millions of them because they believe in the Shiba Inu developers and the real-world value of Shib. How many are you guys holding? Don't forget to list your Shib holdings in the comment section below. Let's praise the Shib holders for trusting and believing in the process. If you are enjoying the video, then please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments your reviews on the Shiba Inu token. And make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.